So, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. This is basically, technically, something like a reaction. We're going to really look at the serious issue here. But there are two videos I wanted to play. Stick around to the end of the video because there's something very important I'm going to tell you guys. But may I leave it to the end of the video? Ensure someone stick around. Anyways, there's two videos I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play these two videos. I want you guys to listen to these two videos. These two videos are, I should say, these two videos were done before the games were kicked off. One was the squad announcement and speaking about the traveling and when the team will arrive. Second one is it was a prediction show. I was doing a prediction show. That was the second one. So basically, both of them kind of similar, but more want to listen to it. So let me I'll play the first one. So listen to the first one, people. Wrong button, me press it up. For Mexico. What? Madness. Madness, people. Total madness. Madness. All the team are going to depart July 17th, and we have match July 19th. No preparation, no acclimatization, none of that. And Mexico, them are going. Oh, come on, man. Come on, JFF, man. Do better. No, man. Foolishness, this. Foolishness, this 100%. The team cannot deploy on July 17th and have match July the 19th. Madness. And worst case scenario against the best team in the group. Madness. You see that? People just read this here. That's how I get the reaction. This reaction is raw. Raw. You mean no curse words. Madness. Anyways, let me move on. Total madness. Alright, so that was the first video. And I have to say, that was the first video. That was the time the squad was announced and some other aspect of details around the squad was being mentioned. So that was the first video. Now, I wanted to listen to the second video, people. Let's get to the second video. For Mexico. What? Madness. No, that's actually not the second video. So let me just clear that up. So it's the second video, you know? Anyways. Let me clear it up. Second video, these people. Listen to it now. Listen. Toughest game that I go to. People want to put in the comment section, put your predictions as well. No? That's how I go to USA. Now, why USA are the toughest game is, one, the team traveled yesterday. They probably had one training session, which is today. And then now have game tomorrow. Jet lag, acclimatization, that's going to be a thing. USA has been according to reports, they have been in Mexico over a week now, almost 2 weeks now. So they are well prepared, acclimatized, training, everything. Then now, we never put in a lot of training session or even practice games, enough practice games for the players going to this game match sharp. So for me, the team I have a basket I carry. Yes, so basically last part I say, the team actually have basket I carry water, technically. Now, the results that I saw tonight, I was not surprised. I did about 3 videos I did speaking about it. Now the thing is, everybody else about MG not this, MG not that rated tape, but I think one of the big problem is many of you guys only watch videos that if you don't see Bailey did it, if you don't see Butler is there, if you don't see Whisper is there, and if you see once you don't see nothing controversial, that's what you guys are interested in now. When we do video highlight certain issues, we're not interested. None at all. That's why this for me, surprise me. And just I'm not interested in any type of video. So me I refresh on the memory, say this is what's happening. Now, as I say, remember I have an important topic to touch at the end of the video. Jamaica 0, USA 9. A total embarrassment, as I mentioned. I never have got a list. I don't even have to list the issues. Again, the reason why we end up in this. Now, many persons are complaining about the quality of the players. And I have to tell you that, people, it doesn't matter how much good quality players are put out there. We could have put out players who play for y'all blasted Manchester City first team. We would still get an embarrassment like that. Maybe we'll get 6. Maybe we'll get 6. But at the end of the day, people, if you don't prepare well, these are the situations that we are going to be in consistently. Look at this. if JFF, if you don't have the resources to really put in a proper preparation for the U20, it makes sense really go there and get embarrassed, get yourself embarrassed like that. Basically national embarrassment. USA laugh at us right now, laughing at us. They just swat us aside like mere fly on the wall or mere ants on a table surrounding a little scrimmage of meat or something like that. Easily. And it's totally not a good look. 100%. We cannot continue to send unprepared teams to play highly competitive games. Now, a big part of it, big question is, remember prior to coming here, we had a situation where John Wall was the head coach in the qualifiers. John Wall was removed from the head coach of the U20 team to the assistant coach. And at that point in time, many persons were saying it makes sense, this and that. I still believe that he was technically fired from the U20 role. But people said none of that. And now move on to the senior team. Now, Jerome Waite now steps in place. My issue here is there are reports that the database that John Wall had in place, basically, technically, it never necessarily passed on to Jerome Waite. So you never get the database of the top level players. But I still do believe that even with those players, would have still gotten a trashing. Because me telling the people, sometimes name on paper alone don't do it. Name on paper alone cannot do it. You see, if you want to be a part of a winning team, administration have to be right. Players have to be right. Coach have to be right. It has to be one significant accord. Everyone has to be singing the same story from the same hymn sheet. Now, one, say the players are all right. Two, say the coach all right. But the preparation for the players was so insignificant, not even the greatest of the greatest coaches can really help us in a situation like what we just faced. With that USA team, against that particular USA team, a USA team well-oiled, well-drilled, well-acclimatized to the Mexican conditions. And we went up, turn up, with now a little, it's a rock. I expect they will turn up and get a result. It won't happen. It will not happen. You cannot go in a competition half-heartedly and with half-hearted preparation and expect that you're going to beat the big boys who have been putting in hard work, who have been definitely been on the success of these elite level competition for a long time period. And expect say, so turn up and get the job done. No, that's not how football, that's not how sports operate. For me, even if we say, boy, I may do some player ratings, the players were so bad. The entire team was so bad. 2 minutes goal, 3 minutes goal, 6 minutes goal. No, 16 minutes goal. In 70 minutes, we're already under 2. 20 minutes, 4. What? No. It's easy to point down, say, boy, the players them individually, they make cause of error. But sometimes when players are in a particular system, this system does not enhance all their best quality. So they will look poor. Now, I mean, I only put all the BM on the federation with the preparation part is concerned. I do think that Jerome Waite has to take some responsibility here. He has to. He must take some responsibility here. 4-0, 20 minutes. Lock shop, no? Lock shop. Make your team more cohesive. The USA team was I think the commentator used to say something about Swiss cheese. But may I tell you, that's not cheese. It was a hot knife, a red hot knife through butter. That is how they were ripping us apart. And it's so hard for me to even blame on the players. Because you can see that the players are trying. But they look to be out of their depth. They look lethargic, they look tired, look jaded. And preparation is a big part of it. A huge part of it. There's no way we can go into a high level game like this with little to no preparation. People are going to tell me say they had training session. That is nothing. The players, that is nothing. You must play at least 2 competitive games just before. At least play on competitive. If you're going to leave Wednesday, play one competitive game Friday, Monday. Play one competitive game Friday. Play one competitive game Monday. Make the players them have the little match sharpness them night before they go night. The players them miss passes everywhere, heavy touch everywhere. Players don't know if them they're supposed to be. The players they know no recovery. Even the goalkeeper, down to the goalkeeper, had a horrible game. This is a holistic thing. It was a holistic thing. Goes to show that I have to say players them heavy. They look heavy. they look heavy. 26 minutes double change. Obviously, so the coach said, "Me get something wrong here." Burkitt came off, Smart came off, Reynolds came on, Watson came on as well. 38 minutes, boy, things now work out, change again. Wizard came off, Ainsworth came on. 39 minutes, goal. One quick counter attack. 5. It's alright, fine. We went into halftime, losing 5-0. Come on now, say, one if we can hold it, keep the game, keep the score line a little bit respectable. 52nd minute, Romy and Blake came off for Gibbs. I do believe that Blake was actually having a bad game. Go for sure, even one of our best players didn't look out of sorts. I tell you, 61st minute, USA first sub. Can you imagine? We make 1, 2, 3, 4. We make 4 subs before USA make their first put on their first players. It's a triple substitution they did do. 66 minute, goal again, 7. And we say, boy, this don't look good now. This I get out of hand. 71st minute, USA make a next sub. 77th minute, goal again. So for every 10 minutes we can't see it. 90 minutes equate 10 minutes, a goal per 10 minutes. And then now, I think the 8 goal in the score, I think was a really, really good quality. Brilliant piece of goal. Build up play nice, and you know them cut back the 2 players versus the goalkeeper, cut back. Nice finish. And then 90th minute, I'm not like because I remember the 90th. I tell you, I remember 9 goal. Be honest. My apologies, people. That shouldn't happen. I shouldn't have lost. I shouldn't have laughed. I shouldn't laugh because it's very, very serious. But I remember the 9th goal. Anyways, it's I say a whole lot of people laugh, you know, and me never can beat people now because me just laugh. Me not can make a nice about it again. Come on, just laugh. It's embarrassing. It's really, really well. My laugh was out of embarrassment. I don't know if their laugh was out of embarrassment or their laugh was out of me glad it happened to you. But my laugh was out of embarrassment. So me not got slate nobody else for laughing. And really and truly, I shouldn't even be laughing. I shouldn't even smurf for that because it was so embarrassing. Extreme national embarrassment. And JFF not even, they post it and take it down. They take long to post it. When they do post it, then take it down. Embarrassing. Listen, before me go, final thing I have to say. If we don't have the money to prepare the teams properly for this competition, do not participate in it then. Don't bother broke your neck if you go partake in it. Fans are going to cost, that's how fans are. We're going to cost for everything. We cost if we partake in it and lose like this big, and we'll cost if we don't partake. Right now it seems like it makes sense to just don't partake. Anyways, hard for me to even slay the players them because they set up to fail. Them set the players up them to fail. They set up the players them to fail. And it don't look good. It really don't look good. Anyways, people, smash like me not going to do no player prediction. My apologies. It don't make no sense. I'll be a 4. Maybe look on the match ratings, the statistics them on the apps them. Be a 4 and 5 people I get. One Sundown player, Mackay Welch. Oh my word. And funny enough, Mackay Welch, even on the statistics, when I rated them really low. Mackay Welch was the only standout player. I say, boy, this kid really, really went out there to put in a show. Big up yourself, Wedge. Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Like, share, subscribe, people. Link in the comment section if you want to buy us a coffee. If not, we're not a problem at all. See you guys again. We're out. MG Sports TV. God bless. Enjoy your side.